Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to share with you about a new topic today. Oil rocks bucket class over guns after former congressman AR-15 comments. Alright. Okay. Washington CNN Democratic presidential candidate Beto O'Rourke and Peter Buttigieg clashes Sundays over O'Rourke direct comment about his proposed mandatory gun buyback program slightly refilled. Hell yes, we going to take your AR-15, your AK-47. O'Rourke said in standout movement at the ABC new Democratic presidential debate Tuesday. His comment frustrated some lawmakers on Capitol Hill who are trying to find a way forward on guns legislation that Republican and Democrat can agree on. Buttigieg said Sundays he agrees with those who say O'Rourke comment play into the hand of Republican. The South behind Indiana's major a guy now is a goalman movement to pass gun legislation. Tell CNN check Tapper on State of the Union that the majority of Americans support so-called red flag law banning high capacities magazine and prohibiting the sale of actual weapon. We even the president and even Senate majority leader much MC connects are at the least pretending to be open to reform. We know that we are a movement on our hand. Buttigieg said let's make the most of it and get this thing done. O'Rourke fell back at the Buttigieg on Twitter and was left millions of weapons offered on the stress because Trump and McNeil are at the less pretending to be open to reform. That calculation and fear is that got us here in the first place. He continued, let's have the courage to say that we believe and fight for it. O'Rourke is 1-3 Democrats along with Kamala Harris of California and Cory Booker of the New Jersey to support mandatories and buyback and for certain gun. Other Democrats include Buttigieg to what makes illegal, but it not requires them to be bought back by the government. The former Texas congressman received presses from fellow Democratic connector during Saturday's debate for his action following the mass shooting in the hometown of El Paso, Texas, where 22 people began town at the Walmart in August. His camping's Highland, it is a focus on frames in America is the wake of the shooting. But his balloon Hill just comment had some landmarker like the Lamarck Democrat and St. Chris Corn Church or rockets common fell into long process propagate conservative talking point making any change on guns laws, however minor, could lead Democrats eventually forcing people to give up their guns. I frankly think that that clip will be played for years at the Second Amendment railing with organizations that try to scare people by saying Democrats at coming for your guns con Tuesday and Friday morning. O'Rourke defines his comment in interview with CNN Friday. Instead, it would not hurt Democrats Party is not concern of mine, and that in part of informed by listen to people or conservative part of America. O'Rourke said, and folks are saying, looks, I would give up that AR-15 or that AK-47. I don't need it to don't need it to defend myself in my home. They recognize that is weapon is designed for to kill people as effectively and in a great number as possible. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for listening to me today about political this one presidential candidate. All right, thank you so much, everybody. Bye bye.